Let's talk about the case of Delonzo Logwood. As you may have heard, Judge Mark McCannon granted our motion to dismiss 2 of the 3 murder charges against Mr. Logwood. Justice has been served. And let me tell you why I say that. When my team and I took office in January, we thoroughly examined the evidence in Mr. Logwood's case. What we quickly determined was that the case heavily relied on the testimony of one witness who now refuses to testify in the case. That put the case in jeopardy. We quickly became concerned whether there was enough evidence to convict Mr. Logwood of the 3 murders he was charged with. The fact is, Mr. Logwood was overcharged by my predecessor. That was wrong, and we have been working mightily to right that wrong. I was elected to do whatever I can to make sure justice is served properly and fairly. It is our obligation to follow the evidence and not prosecute someone whom we do not believe a jury will find guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. That is the legal standard that we intend to uphold in our office going forward. I understand the emotions surrounding this case. 3 people are dead. Unfortunately, we believe that Mr. Carter and Washington were murdered by someone or persons who were not and perhaps never will be held accountable for their murders. These are members of our community, and our heart goes out to their families. Regarding Judge McCannon, we stand by our belief that the judge made statements that were biased and inflammatory. His comments and conduct created a media storm and undermined the administration of justice. Ultimately, his rejection of the original plea agreement was unduly prejudicial to both the prosecution and Mr. Logwood. But for the judge's intervention and the delay it caused, we would have been able to resolve the case in March with a longer sentence. The Judicial Council has decided that he will stay on the case. We accept that decision, but we will continue to insist that Judge McCannon and every other judge conduct themselves as an impartial referee. That's the least any judge should do.